How to grow your YouTube channel fast. Hi guys, if you're struggling to grow your YouTube channel, this video will help you. Today, I'll share proven tips to grow your channel faster. First, focus on your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see. Make it eye-catching and clear. Second, create a strong title. Use keywords that people are searching for. Third, hook your audience in the first 5 seconds. If your intro is boring, people will leave. And fourth, post consistently. The more you upload, the more chances you have to grow. And fifth, engage with your audience. Reply to comments and build a community. And lastly, study your analytics. See what videos perform well and do more of that. Growth doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency, you will succeed.